Dear students, I am glad to interact with you. I am Dr. P. Swati, Head Department of Psychology, Osmania University and Principal Investigator to this MOOCs course on Social Psychology. Every one of us would be fascinated by the term psychology. We all would like to know about ourselves and also about others' behavior. I think you are also not an exception to this. But studying the discipline of psychology is an Herculean task, as it is a big ocean with vast content and that includes various branches of psychology. Here it is an opportunity for you to initiate your learning on psychology. We have come up with this MOOCs course on social psychology to facilitate aspirants like you who are inclined to study psychology to begin your journey of understanding human behavior. Those who are interested to take up the course of social psychology may be interested to know what the course is about. We all aware that man is a social animal. We interact with other human beings, try to influence others in various aspects of human behavior like attitudes, attributions, communication, impressions, and in turn we also get influenced by the people around us. Hence, this course helps us to understand how people's thoughts, feelings, beliefs, intentions and goals are constructed within a social context by the actual or imagined interactions with others. This course is designed to give students a broad overview of social psychology with an emphasis on significant concepts, theory and also the research based upon the evidences that are available in the current scenario. If you are interested to take up this course, you would also like to know what the objectives of the course would be. Once you take up this course, the course helps us to develop an understanding of the social psychological concepts like attitudes, attributions and importance of communication in our social situations. This course will also inculcate in the students prosocial behavior. You know what the prosocial behavior is about, and in the current scenario we require this particular trait in all of us, and how we can develop the prosocial behavior in different steps, and also emphasizes on the determinants of prosocial behavior. Why some of us have this prosocial behavior, others do not possess this kind of a prosocial behavior. What is the difference between these two groups who are prosocial and who are not prosocial? What is distinguishing these two groups? This course will enlighten us on the differences in the human beings with regard to different aspects of the social behavior. The course will also help us to develop an understanding of the group structure, group functioning and about the concepts related to group dynamics like obedience, conformity, cooperation and competition. Why some of us are very obedient to the authorities? Why we are interested to immediately implement the executives given by the authorities, whereas some situations we tend to conform to the group pressure. Though you might have a different opinion, but ultimately you may conform to the group pressures. So, what are the reasons behind this conformity? And when a group will be very cooperative with the other group and when another group will be very competitive in the presence of the other groups. All these things will be dealt in this course. Apart from all these things, the course will also help us to focus on learning about group performance, decision making in groups and group leadership. Probably some of you might have experienced that you might facilitate better in the presence of others, whereas some of you feel very hesitant, very shy, though you are very capable of performing certain things. So, what factors influence us to perform better, or what factors influence us or hinder our performance? Similarly, whether an individual can take a better decision or groups can take a better decision, we will be knowing through this course. And similarly, the leadership. In the present situations, we require a dynamic leader, whether it is in the school, whether it is in the college, whether it is at the workplace or at a broader society or at a national level. So, what factors influence an individual to become a good leader? How can one be evolved as a great leader? So, all these things can be understood through this course. This course will also enlighten on the concept of aggression, why a man behaves in an aggressive way, what are the theoretical perspectives underlying this particular concept of aggression, what are the personal, social and situational determinants of aggression. All these things one can understand through this course. Not only knowing about what causes our aggressive behavior, but we should also know what are the techniques to prevent and control aggression in contemporary society. So, I can say with confidence that the basic aspects of our social behavior can be learned through this course. Probably that will facilitate you to evolve as a better individual and also a better performer at your societal level or at an academic or at a workplace. Once you have learned about the objectives of the course, probably some of you who are watching this video might be feeling like who can enroll for this course, who can take up this course. Though this course on social psychology is specific to social science students, students from any discipline can enroll for this course. Irrespective of which stream of academics you belong to, psychology applies to everyone, to all the situations. So, from any discipline, the student can enroll for this course. Then, you would like to know about the details? The credits of this course would be 3 credits. Number of modules covered in this course are 30 and the duration of the course would be 8 weeks. At the end of the course, you might be having a final examination which will be of multiple choice type. So, all the other details will be knowing or will be forwarded to you once you have enrolled for this course. Thank you once again to all of you for watching this video on introductory video to the MOOCs course on social psychology.